Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. In front of you, I am Regeline Harabata. I am 34 years old. I am married. I have 4 children, 1 boy and 3 girls. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the eldest child of the family. I work in Saudi for 2 years. I work together with 1 Filipina, a domestic helper, and 1 Indian driver. When I arrived, there were 3 kids to take care. They were 7, 5, and 3 years old. Only 5 and 7 goes to school, but after 1 year, all of them go to school. The driver bring them to the school, but sometimes mom and sir bring them also. We have to prepare their breakfast, their bags, their uniforms, and carry their bags to the car. When they come back from school, we need to prepare their bath because they don't take a bath when they go to school, but after school. We play all together and help them if their needs in their homework. I can also do house chores like cleaning, washing, and ironing, and also cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong so that I can have more salary to better help my family financially. I can take care of both newborn baby rather, and growing children. I was the one who take care of my baby. I'm hardworking, patient, and willing to learn Hong Kong procedures and Hong Kong bases. Mom, sir, please hire me because I need this job. Thank you and have a blessed day.